So for this problem, the combination then to solve for n. So from this given, n choose 3 is equal to 84. Now using this formula, the n choose r equals the n factorial then over r factorial times the quantity of n minus r factorial. So from the given, so this n choose r is equal to 84. So this becomes 84 then equals n factorial. So n is the unknown. Then over r factorial. So this 3 is equal to r. So this becomes 3 factorial then times n minus 3 quantity factorial. Then to simplify, so this is equal to 84 then equals. So we need to rewrite this in factorial to eliminate this n minus 3 quantity factorial. So since n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 factorial. So we need to eliminate this n minus 3 quantity factorial. So therefore, this n factorial becomes n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 then factorial then over this 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1 and this is equal to 6. So we have 6 then times the quantity of n minus 3 then factorial. Then observe we can eliminate now this n minus 3 factorial and minus 3 factorial. So the remaining 84 equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 then over 6. Then we need to do the crisscross multiplication or just multiply this 84 and 6. So 84 times 6. So we have 84 times 6. So that's 504. So this is equal to 504 then equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2. Now this time to solve for n, so we're going to use a trial and error. Now since we have these three numbers, the n and n minus 1 and minus 2, and these numbers are consecutive, so we need to find these three consecutive numbers and the product is equal to 504. So if we have 7 times 6 because minus 1 times 5 because minus 2, so that's 210. Then if we try 8 times 7 times 6, so that's 336. Or if 9 times 8 times 7, so that's 504. So therefore, this is equal to 9 times 8 times 7. So therefore, from this number, n is equal to 9. So for this problem, n is equal to 9.